In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import CSV in LibreOffice Calc. First, launch LibreOffice Calc. You can open an existing spreadsheet if you want to add data to it, or simply create a new blank file. Either way works. The import process is the same. The most common method is through the File menu. Go to File, then click Open. In the File Picker, browse to the location of your CSV. If your file doesn't have a .csv extension, but it's still a text-based comma or delimiter separated file, change the file type filter to text CSV so Calc can recognize it. Select your file and click Open. This brings up the text import dialog, which is where the magic happens. In the text import dialog, take a moment to set things up correctly before you press OK. Start by checking the character set. UTF-8 is a good default for most modern files, especially if you expect accented characters or non-English text. Next, look at the separator options. Choose the delimiter that matches your file. Commas are common, but many files use semicolons, tabs, or even a custom character. If your fields are wrapped in quotes, make sure the text delimiter is set to the correct symbol, usually a double quote, so commas inside quotes don't split a field. Use the preview at the bottom to confirm the columns look right. If numbers or dates aren't recognized, enable options like Detect Special Numbers or adjust the column type by clicking the column header in the preview and choosing a format such as Date, Text, or Standard. When everything looks correct, click OK, and your data will load into the sheet. There's also a great alternative if you want the CSV in its own tab within your current workbook. Go to the Sheet menu and choose Insert Sheet from File. Browse to your CSV, select it, and click Open. You'll see the same text import dialog. Configure it exactly as before, and when you click OK, Calc will place the imported data into a new sheet, keeping your existing tabs intact. Finally, if you prefer a quick shortcut, you can drag and drop a CSV file directly from your file manager into an open Calc window. Calc will show the same text import dialog, and once you confirm the settings, the data will import immediately. After importing, consider saving your work as an ODS file to preserve formulas and formatting. If anything looks off, don't worry. Simply re-import and adjust the settings, or use tools like text to columns later to refine your data.